Okay guys, this is one of my all-time favorite pairs with this new system, and that is the Euro AUD, one of my favorite pairs. Let me show you. See, look at how it came in last time. Now, you may get a loss here or there, but for the most part, you'll be doing just fine with this pair if you look for a good setup at least once a week. As you can see, and some of these, like this one, you would have known not to take it if it was in the buy zone. But as you can see here, and again, I have it kind of high up, stretched out. Let me do it like that. You can see it better. Look at that. And this is one of my all-time favorite pairs. And right here, if it was in the buy zone or at the wrong time where I tell you not to trade, you would have avoided that anyway. But even if so, look at how many pips you made versus a little small stop loss. No big deal. But then look at this. It cascades beautifully. So when you start using the system, make sure to look at it. This pair, put it on your radar, because you can actually make a boatload of money just off of this pair alone. But as you can see, I have 2 entries on here. I'm up 255 pips. Here's a 30-minute view. And look at 30-minute, same thing, just beautiful. And I have my candles kind of close. Let me stretch them out so you can actually see how they moved. Okay, so this one's short little trade there, but 1-to-1 risk ratio is not hard to get with this pair right here. As you can see, I stretch the candles out so you can see it. So sometimes you don't need a lot of pairs, especially since I keep encouraging you guys. You only need about 3 good trades a week. If you lose one, then go find one more trade, replace it, but you don't have to trade all the time. You don't have to be in 500 trades at the same time. But look at this, just beautiful. This is one of my most dependable pairs, the Euro AUD, because it moves smoothly and it's dependable. Okay, as you can see, this is a 30-minute time frame. You see it just beautiful. Look at how many trades worked out without the evidence down on a 30-minute. Okay, so anyway, let me go back to the 15 and shrink my candles and let's take a look. Don't want that small. I meant to do this. And I don't think it's finished, so I'm just going to let this run. Move my stop loss up to manage the trade. But other than that, I love the pair. Love it. And I'm going to send a screenshot to someone so that they can see this as well. They were asking about this one, and I'll send it to them. All right, you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this new system.